Hello everyone, here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle light like this using Stardust plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First, create a new comp. Hit OK. Layer, new solid, and I'll call it mask. Now create a mask. Okay, now go to layer, new light, and light type point, also intensity 100. Okay, now go to mask, open masks, mask 1, and Ctrl C mask path. Then go to point light, press P, make sure that you are on the first frame, and go to position and Ctrl V to copy and C. Close mask. Now go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it Stardust. Go to effects and presets and type Stardust. Drag and drop. Okay, go to emitter, set point to light and see. Yeah, very good. Again, emitter. Okay, now I'll go to speed, maybe speed 65, speed random maybe 50, would be good. And particle life per second 1. Increase life random, and also open particle properties and change size to 2 and increase size random, also opacity random, increase it. Now set your colors. Okay, now I'll go to emitter and I'll increase particles per second. Yes, very good. Okay, now I'll go to emitter and stylize and glow. I'll increase glow threshold and also radius. and see. Now we will add background. Effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Change linear to radial and put this point into the middle like this. Change these colors. And see. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.